Hello, my name is Kishwani. I have been solving math problems from this book, the official SAT study guide. Right now I'm going to solve a problem that appears in exam number 7, section number 5, page number 795, question number 16. If after watching the clip you find it helpful and you wish to purchase the DVD that contains the solutions to all the math problem in this section, please send me an email, or for that matter any section in any of the 8 exams. Send me an email telling me the exam number and the section number, and I will have it or them on the way. Sometimes there is only one DVD, sometimes there are 2, depending on how long it takes me to do all the problems. That is, let's get going. Because I like to explain everything thoroughly, because I really don't know how much help you need, what is the kind of students I'm dealing with, what caliber of students. You might need a lot of help in math, you might understand most of the basic things, and you might need very little help. I have no idea. So I try to explain everything as much as I can. In this particular question that I'm about to do, the only concept that they're testing is the fact that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 and that the straight line is made up of 180. That's all. A straight line is 180 degrees, which everybody knows, and the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180, of course. Let's take a look. Let's make it bigger. You can't see the bloody thing. This picture looks nothing like the picture that they give you. It doesn't really matter. It makes no difference. So they're telling you that this is y. This angle is y. Let's call this angle A. If that angle is y, how much do you suppose A is equal to? A obviously is equal to 180 minus y. That's my A. Let's move on then. They tell you that this is z. If that is z, how much do you suppose angle B is equal to? Angle B must be equal to 180 minus z. And finally they tell you that this angle over here is 115. If this is 115, this missing angle has to be 65, obviously. So the sum of these 3 angles has to be 180. And all they're asking you is, what is the value of y plus z? The reason why some people, not all, some people have trouble with this problem, which is why it's a medium question, is because they fall for the trap. The trap here is to realize that when they're asking you what is the sum of y and z, you do not need to figure out the value of y and z individually. Not only that you do not need to figure out the value of the y individually, but it is not even possible even if one wanted to. It's impossible. You cannot figure out the value of y and z. They're not asking you for the value of y and z individually. They're asking you what is their sum. So I'm going to figure it out here. Let's solve it. The very first thing I notice is that this 180 appears on this side and 180 appears on this side. I'm going to cancel it. This red marker does not want to work. Sorry about that. Sticking my head like that in the camera. There you go. Cancel them out. So 180 plus 65 would be 245 minus y plus z, minus y and minus z equals 0. You see, this plus this is 245, and then I got a negative y and a negative z. So if you want to find the value of y and the z, you see how I just said it? I made a mistake. We do not want to find the value of the we do not want to find the value of y and z. I said it wrong. We are interested in finding the value of y plus z. Big difference. All you have to do is bring the y and the z on the other side. That's all. If you were to add up the y, if you were to add up y and z on this side, same thing here. Y plus z, you'll end up as 245 equals y plus z. And I'm not going to do this in a childish way. I'm just going to. This is childish. When I say bring the y and the z on the other side, that just means add y and z to both sides. Add positive y and positive z to both sides. So y plus z equals 245. That's all. The answer is E. I hope you found this helpful. Like I said before, if you wish to hire my services for personal tutoring, private tutoring, one-to-one, or a small group, if you have some friends who would like to take the course with you, get hold of me. I'm located in Connecticut. Go to my website at www.prepforsat.com and I'll take care of you. Alright? Thank you. Or if you wish to buy the DVD, again send me an email. Thank you.